Hey everyone! In today's video, Ryan is going to tell us a heartwarming story from his childhood, all about his very special bike and the amazing adventures he had with it. You'll hear about how his bike made him feel free, helped him explore new places, and brought so much fun and excitement to his childhood. After the story, we'll go over some useful vocabulary and expressions related to bikes, adventure, and childhood memories, so you can build your English skills while enjoying the story. Let's jump into Ryan's story and learn together.
When I was a kid, I had a special friend that took me on amazing journeys. My bike. It was shiny and colorful, and it made me feel like I could go anywhere. Every morning, I'd jump on my bike, excited for the adventures ahead. With the wind in my hair and the sun on my face, I'd ride through streets and alleys, finding hidden spots and secret treasures. My bike took me to faraway places where I could be an explorer, discovering new lands and defeating imaginary monsters. But the best part wasn't just exploring, it was the feeling of freedom. Riding my bike made me feel like I could do anything I wanted. Whether I was zooming down hills, doing tricks in the park, or just cruising around, my bike was my ticket to fun and excitement. And the memories we made together, picnics in sunny fields, races with friends, my bike was always there, making every moment special. Even though I've grown up and don't ride my bike anymore, I'll always remember the adventures we had together. My bike taught me that no matter where life takes me, the magic of childhood will always be with me.
Well done, everyone. You've completed the first task. Great job. Now it's time for the most important part of the video, learning some useful vocabulary from what you just heard. Don't skip this part. It's going to help you understand and speak English even better. Let's dive into vocabulary sessions.
Adventure. An exciting or unusual experience often involving exploration or risk. Example. We went on an adventure through the forest and discovered a hidden waterfall.
Journey. A trip from one place to another, usually taking a long time. Example. Our journey across the country lasted 2 weeks.
Explorer. A person who travels to new or unfamiliar places to learn about them. Example. As a child, I pretended to be an explorer in my backyard.
Freedom. The power or right to act, speak, or think without limits. Example. Riding my bike gave me a sense of freedom I had never felt before. Treasure. Something valuable or special, often hidden or hard to find. Example. We found a box of old coins and called it our secret treasure.
Zoom. To move quickly or suddenly, especially with a buzzing or humming sound. Example. I love to zoom down the hill on my skateboard. Imaginary. Not real, existing only in the mind or imagination. Example. He had an imaginary friend who lived in the treehouse.
Picnic. A meal eaten outdoors, usually in a park or natural setting. Example. We had a picnic by the river with sandwiches and juice.
Cruise. To move smoothly and easily, often for enjoyment. Example. I like to cruise around the neighborhood on my bike in the evening.
Memories. Thoughts or feelings from the past that you remember. Example. My childhood memories always make me smile.
Thanks a lot for watching. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And hey, feel free to watch it again and again to really let it sink in. See you in the next video.